Stephen Gilbert RC here with another Losi Mini T 2.0 video. That's going to be a mouthful. But today we have from T-Bone Racing the new front bumpers, racer front bumpers, and I have two of them, one for my car, one for Charlie, and we're just going to show how easy it is to install these things. I have one on my wife's. Oh yeah, also the nice shelf behind me where I get to put all my RC stuff. I love it. It's very nice. Got the boats, got the Losi Mini T's, radio stuff, and then some of the other toys from T-Bone Racing is my wife's Halix is the front bumper and the wheelie bar. This truck is technically famous in the world of T-Bone Racing. I did a wheelie a while ago, all the way down the tennis court with this monster truck, and it got on the front page of T-Bone Racing's website. It was up there for a little bit too, and I got a lot of views on it, so it's pretty cool. It still runs, still working. I even took and put this 2-foot tall creeper on top of it and ran around and had fun at anime conventions. Again, if you want to look at some of my older videos, do you want to build a creeper, where you can see me chasing weeaboos around with a monster truck creeper. But we're just going to do a little video now to show how easy it is to put these on. And I think they're really needed. I mean, if Losi was to not come out with the Revision A arms, this would be the next solution, which would be these bumpers. So the Revision A arms plus these bumpers, this car should be pretty steady. So here we go. Okay, so for this install, you need a 1.5 millimeter wrench, Allen wrench, and a Phillips head screwdriver, because the screws that come from T-Bone Racing are Phillips, and they also look like stainless steel, which is always a nice upgrade. So I'm going to take the body off first. I don't know about you guys, but I lose the body pins from this thing all the time just driving it. So put the screws over there. And what we are doing is taking 1, 2, 3, 4 out. Let's make sure we get focused on the car and not my hands. And then, you know, save these screws, because I'm sure they'll be used for something somewhere else. It's a little tiny bumper we're replacing. Yeah. Hefty, wimpy. Okay. Then we're also going to take these two screws out. And these are the shorter ones, so use the shorter of the set screws on here. They're a little bit longer than the stock screws because obviously you're putting that much plastic in between it. Okay, now let's get out the new screws. Use the body to hold those. There we go. So the shorter ones go in the back. Oop, that's right. Phillips. I'm not tightening down all the way, just enough, because I'm going to have to adjust it and get it just right. Okay, and then the long ones in the front bulkhead. I'll tighten down everything. There we go. Bam! Let's put that body on, see how it looks. Yeah, that looks mean. We're gonna cut to some nice professional pictures I'm gonna take while I have this lighting going. And on a side note, T-Bone Racing's really good company. I like all their products. I had a Glamis Uno, and they really didn't have any much Vaterra stuff, and I emailed them and said, hey, you guys gonna have a Glamis Uno bumper? And they said, no, but we'll make one. And within like 2 months, they had one. I felt like they might have had one in the works already, but I kind of felt like, hey, I asked, and they did it directly for me, so that's really cool. But these photos look really good. It makes this car look so mean. I love it. This is a really... I'm still very happy with this car, and even with the issues with the A-arms, the new bumpers just make it look sweet. So this thing should be pretty durable now, and now just looks 10 times meaner. So thank you, T-Bone Racing, for always being cool, for making a bunch of cool products, and you guys have a good day.